Hi friends, this is Harinandan and you are watching Open Helix Telecom channel. Friends, today we will know about baseband 5216 and baseband 5212, which is manufactured by Ericsson company. Here you can see that logo is there, Ericsson logo is there. Baseband 5216 and 5212. The baseband variant are the following. Here is two baseband 5212 and baseband 5216. Baseband 5212 is supported from software. These are software there: L16A, W16A and G16B. 5212 these are software supporting, and baseband 5216 is supported from software L15B, W16A and G16B. Baseband 5216 is supporting these are software. Some different are there. Here is L16A, here is L15B, and remaining are same is there: W16A, W16A and G16B and G16B. Some function description is there. The baseband unit has the following function. Here is timing function is there, loadable software, downlink baseband processing, uplink baseband processing, IP traffic management, radio interface, transmission handling, external synchronization, and controlling power and climate of the RBS. These are functional description is there in baseband 5212 and 5216. These functional description is there for both baseband. Here is a diagram. For the block diagram of the baseband unit, see figure 2. Figure is there. Baseband is the processing, transmission, timing, baseband and radio. These are point are there in block diagram. Okay. Now we can see that technical data. Here is some point is there: baseband height, width, depth and weight. What is baseband weight is there? Baseband 5216 and baseband 5216. I think height are same is there, width are also same, and depth are also same, and weight are also same. I think both baseband having same dimension and weight. Technical data is there. Baseband 5216. Now we can see that capacity data. I mean, baseband 5216 can connect 8,000 user in one time. It will run on 96 megahertz antenna, bandwidth up to here is there up to 2000 FDD or 1000 TDD VoIP user. 1200 Mbps downlink will be there, and 600 Mbps uplink will be there in 5216 card. And here is capacity data for WCDMA, I mean 3G, maximum capacity measured in channel element. 1150 volt downlink is there in 5216, and 768 is uplink is there. Capacity data for GSM 48 TRX. And supported radio interface connection CPRE 2.5 GPS, 4.9 GPS, 9.8 GPS and 2.5 to 10.1 GPS will be support CP cable in 5216. And 5216 is supported 3 technology. It will support 4G, 3G and 2G, but it will run all technology on 900 band. Now we can see that about 5212 baseband capacity data for LTE 4000 connected user. You can connect one time 4000 user in baseband 5212, and this baseband will be run on 480 megahertz antenna, and bandwidth will be up to 1200 FDD or 500 TDD future. 600 Mbps downlink and 300 Mbps for uplink will be there. And for 3G, 4 capacity data for WCDMA is there, and 576 downlink and 576 for uplink. I think both will be same. Uplink and downlink will be same in baseband 5212. And this baseband having for capacity for data GSM 24 TRS there. 24 capacity higher capacity there only 24 TRS in baseband 5212. And supported radio interface connection CPRE 2.5 to 10.1 Gbps. I think CP cable connectivity are same for both baseband 5212 and 5216. Now here is some power, how much power receiving both card. The signal and power interfaces for both baseband unit are listed in. Here is marking minus 48 volt power receiving, and here is connector ET20 connector will be there, and this can for minus 48 volt DC power and optical indicator. And here will be there will be power indicator. If you give power in baseband, then optical indicator will show there. Sync is there, which is connected to RJ45 cable. The description is there. The baseband can receive synchronization from a synchronization interface for example GPS or over the transport network. Sync cable will be there, which is connected for sync port will be there, which is connected for RJ45 cable. Indicator also there. EC means enclosure control is there, which is also connected to RJ45. LMT port control and LMT port interface and external interfacing test. LMT port is there, local management terminal, which is also connected for RJ45. TNA is there. TNA you can also connect it to RJ45. And ASPEED is there, 100 Mbps, 1 GB internet transmission card, and external interface electrical is there. Here is also indicator. TNB. In TNB port you can use SFP. SFP required there for TNB port. One such 10 GB Ethernet transmission external interface, electrical or optical. Both SFP will be supported there. Optical and electrical both SFP will support in this port, and TNB port. TNC also will support SFP. Here is also electrical and optical SFP. Both SFP will be support there. Marking, some marking is there, which is indicate for against alarm. What alarm can for that it will indicate for there. Fault optical indicator red, and the connector is there. Optical indicator also is there. Yes. And here is marking for operation optical indicator green. Here is also yes there. Some indicator you can read for this because here is for setting indicator is there, which is used for maintenance optical indicator blue, or for information about the maintenance bottom refer to indicator and button and switch. And this indicator for status of optical indicator yellow. And here is separate for 5212 what 5212 baseband receiving power. Minus 48 and connector also is there, ET20 connector, and 48 minus 48 volt DC power receiving there. Sync connectivity also is there. EC port also is there. LMT port is there. TNA port is there. TNB port is there. Port are same from baseband 5216. Marking connector description also is there. here is the point. For more information about optical indicator, refer to indicator bottom and switches. The LMT port has combined LMT-A and LMT-B functionality. The LMT port is configured as LMT-B by default, and LMT a splitter cable is used to access LMT-A for detailed information with the connect client. Here is the some pointer also is there. LMT port used for LMT-B. So these are process and the point are there for both card 5212 and 5216. Friends, 52 as you can see that in this video, as I told you, 5216 and 5212 is manufactured by Ericsson. Again, I am telling you, and it is used for 3 technology. I mean for 4G and 3G and 2G. But here is some issue, because this baseband will be run on only 900 band.